In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all fonts at once in Figma. If you've ever inherited a file with a dozen different typefaces or you're standardizing a project to a single brand font, this process will save you a ton of time. We'll use Figma's plugin workflow to swap fonts across your design in just a few clicks while keeping everything organized and predictable. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in so you're ready to work in your files. Once you're in, open the project you want to update. Make sure you're on the correct file and page that contain the text you want to unify, and give it a moment to fully load the layers. Next, head to the Quick Actions menu. In the top bar, you'll see the search field often labeled Actions. Click that to open the command palette. This is a powerful way to run commands without hunting through menus. Inside the palette, switch to the Plugins section so we can find what we need quickly. Now, type Fonts Changer in the search field and select it from the list to launch the plugin. You should see its panel open, ready to help you with font replacement. If you don't see it in the list, double-check your workspace access and that you're searching within Plugins in the Actions panel. With the plugin open, highlight all your text in the design. You can drag a selection over the canvas to capture everything in view, or select frames and groups that contain the text you want to update. The key is to ensure the text layers you intend to modify are included in your selection so the plugin can act on them. If you have hidden or locked layers, consider making them visible before you select, so nothing important gets left out. In the Fonts Changer panel, choose the font you want to apply. Take a moment to match the correct family and style, regular, medium, bold, so your hierarchy and weights remain consistent. If your new font includes multiple weights, the plugin will map based on style names whenever possible. When you're ready, click Replace. The plugin will swap the fonts across your selected text layers in one pass. Give it a second if your file is large. After it completes, zoom around your design and spot-check key screens and headings to confirm spacing and line breaks still look great, especially where text is tightly constrained. And that's it. You've changed all your fonts at once in Figma using the Fonts Changer plugin, quickly and cleanly without manual edits across countless text layers.